shoes on the floor.
Welcome to Texas, y'all. If you're ready for something delicious, just keep watching.
You saw the hurt I hide inside, all of the grudges I kept tight. You laid your mercy on my pride, showed me a softer way to fight. Kindness like a river flowing through my heart, tender when I'm bitter, tearing walls apart. Just as you forgave me, teach my soul to see. Kindness like a river running out of me. Names that I never should have said lingered like thunder in the air. You wrote a blessing there instead, called me to heal with every prayer. Kindness like a river flowing through my heart, tender when I'm bitter, tearing walls apart. Just as you forgave me, teach my soul to see. Kindness like a river running out of me. Be my gentle answer when anger starts to rise. Make my heart a harbor where weary voices find. Compassion in the struggle, patience in the strain. Your love in every word I say, your grace in every pain. Kindness like a river flowing through my heart, tender when I'm bitter, tearing walls apart. Just as you forgave me, teach my soul to be. Kindness like a river, let that river be me. Ooh. I was chasing every shining thing, busy hands and a buzzing mind. Then your kindness broke into my plans, showed me work you drew before all time. I am handmade by hand, every step in a story you wrote. You prepared every pathway I'm treading, so I walk in the works of your love, your love. So I walk in the works of your love, your love. I still stumble when the road turns steep, I still doubt when I can't see through. But you whisper, child, I'm not surprised. Every good thing waits ahead of you. I am handmade by heaven, every step in a story you wrote. You prepared every pathway I'm treading, so I walk in the works of your love, your love. So I walk in the works of your love, your love. made by heaven. Every step in a story you wrote. You prepared every pathway I'm treading. So I walk in the works of your love, your love. So I walk in the works of your love, your love. Yeah. Ooh.
Coffee steam and a whispered praise. Every care that could weigh her down, she lays it at your feet now. She don't shine for the world to see. Every step is a quiet, let it be. Her worth is far more than rubies. You call her chosen, beloved free. You see the heart that the world can't see. More than rubies, more than any treasure could be. Gentle hands in a busy room, little prayers in the afternoon. Every tear that the night has known, you hold it, you call her your own. When her doubts start to speak too loud, you remind her you write a name in clouds. Her worth is far more than rubies. You call her chosen, beloved free. You see the heart that the world can't see. More than rubies, more than any treasure could be. Not in gold, not in glory, not in praise from passing crowds. In your grace, in your story, you lift her up, you sing it out. Her worth is far more than rubies. You call her chosen, beloved free. You see the heart that the world can't see. More than rubies, more than any treasure could be. Before the sun, she's on her knees, whispered prayers drift on the breeze. Hands that mend, hands that serve, heart that trusts in every word. Woman of worth, clothed in your strength, laugh in a day she cannot see. Mouthful of kindness, wisdom on her tongue. She fears the Lord, that's her beauty. She brings her home food and peace, light in her eyes, quiet dignity. She buys the field, she plants the seed. Faith in forever sworn.